Welcome to Chapa International. This presentation test your vocabulary. This is related to SBI clerical examinations, GATE aptitude, engineering subject aptitude, and sometimes help in the maybe very limited way help in the CAT also. So there is no need by any explanation here. I am just telling you it is deliberate to test your knowledge. Actually, all are correct. Only 10, 20, 30 like this are deliberately make wrong, so that you can know what your vocabulary is strong or not strong. Here 10 is ambivalent. It is mentioned. Decided. Actually, it is undecided. Similarly, 20 augment. Here the response is decrease. Actually, augment response are to or increase. Augment increase, not decrease. Similarly, 30 caustic. Caustic, they mention pleasant. Actually, not a pleasant, it is harsh. Caustic always harsh. 40 congenial. Congenial means pleasant atmosphere, not unpleasant. Congenial, pleasant. Answers are at the end of the presentation. Answers are there. Only 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 are the wrong option. Others are correct. Then 50 demonstrative, hidden. No. Demonstrative means characterized by the open explosion of emotion. Demonstrative. He is expressing your emotion, no hiding. Then 60 discretion, not cautious. Discretion, not cautious. Actually is cautious, having good judgment. Discretion. 70 elated. Elated means happy, but here mentioned not happy because deliberately it was make wrong to know test your knowledge. 80 eradicate. Actually no, eradicate means removal. Eradicate is not acceptance. Again remove, erase or remove. Then 90 fickle, decisive. No, fickle never is a decisive. Fickle or indecisive. Fickle mind means indecisive mind. Then 100 highness. Highness means it is a not pleasant. It is a horrible or disgusting behavior. 110 invigorated. Invigorated, energized, not all. It is energized. Invigorated means energized. 120 mitigate. Mitigate not complex. Mitigate means we should ease, soothe, soften. We should help. We should do something to reduce your sorrow like this. Mitigate. Then 130 ominous. Ominous is a good sign. Ominous is a bad sign. Ominous means a bad sign. Threatening sign. Ominous behavior. 140 perplexed. Perplexed is not happiness. Is not happiness with you. He is not happy with you. Confused. The perplexed means confused. Your behavior is not good. Perplexed. 150 prodigy. No talent. Prodigy. One with exceptional talent. One with exceptional talent. 160 recursive. Living with others. No. Living alone. 160 living alone. 170 sanguine. No, sanguine is a negative person. Sanguine, optimistic. Pessimist. Sanguine means negative person. Sanguine is a pessimist, not optimist. Sanguine is optimist. Here not pessimist. Here mentioned with sanguine 170. Pessimist not. Is not pessimist. Then 180 succumb. Accept. No. Succumb to give in or give it yield. And then 190 timid. Timid not active. Timid means you are feeling fearness. Timid, shy, bashful. 200 vilify. Believe not praise. Believe degrade, slander. Here the answer is there. Below the answer 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 30. Already I mentioned the answer. No need to repeat again. If you like, please subscribe it and put the bell icon. This English presentation will continue up to 20 and will come with some passage and spot the error. After that, now we'll go to the aptitude type. The logical reasoning and reasoning side will come to be reasoning with some graph. Data interpretation will come from the next video onwards. And some quantitative also. If you like, please subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.